Introducing the electric heated lunchbox, a modern and convenient solution that brings warmth to your meals on the go. This isn't just a lunchbox, it's a game changer for those who value a hot and satisfying meal, whether you're at work, school, or out adventuring. Imagine having the luxury of enjoying a warm, home-cooked meal wherever you are. The electric heated lunchbox is designed with practicality and efficiency in mind, providing a comprehensive solution for those who want to upgrade their lunch experience. Let's delve into the design of this ingenious heated lunchbox. It typically consists of a compact and insulated container with an electric heating element. The heating element warms your food gradually, ensuring that it reaches a delightful temperature without the risk of overcooking. The lunchbox often features multiple compartments, allowing you to separate different dishes and flavors. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits of the electric heated lunchbox. Traditional lunch containers might keep your food cold, but this lunchbox goes the extra mile by providing a consistent and controlled heating environment. It transforms your cold leftovers or pre-packed meals into piping hot and delicious dishes, reminiscent of a freshly cooked meal. Consider the versatility of this heated lunchbox. It's not limited to just reheating leftovers. The electric heated lunchbox is perfect for bringing soups, stews, pasta, or any meal that you desire to enjoy warm. The multiple compartments allow you to keep different dishes separate, maintaining their individual flavors without the risk of blending. Moreover, the electric heated lunchbox is a time-saving marvel. No more waiting in line for the office microwave or settling for lukewarm meals. The lunchbox allows you to enjoy a hot meal at your convenience, making lunchtime a more enjoyable and efficient experience, especially for those with tight schedules. Consider the impact on your overall well-being. The electric heated lunchbox encourages healthier eating habits by empowering you to bring homemade meals from the comfort of your kitchen. It reduces reliance on fast food or cold sandwiches, ensuring that you have access to warm and nutritious meals even when you're away from home. Let's now speak to the worries of individuals who might be concerned about usability and safety. Safety features like an automatic shut-off and safe, heat-resistant handles are built into the design of the electric heated lunchbox. Since the heating element is usually detachable, maintaining and cleaning the lunchbox is a breeze. To sum up, the electric heated lunchbox is more than just a receptacle. It's a portable eating experience that infuses your everyday routine with the coziness of a warm meal. It is an absolute necessity for individuals who value the convenience of hot, freshly prepared meals wherever their travels may take them due to its well-thought-out design, adaptability, and efficient functions. With the electric heated lunchbox, you can elevate your lunchtime experience and make every meal a delightful experience. Convenience meets warmth.